What if your home wasn't just a place to live, but a space that actively improved your well-being, comfort, and energy independence? What if your business could significantly lower its running costs and its environmental impact? Welcome to 21 Degrees. We believe your built environment should be designed for optimal efficiency, health, and comfort. We're on a mission to transform how we think and use energy, creating spaces where people and businesses can truly thrive. What sets us apart is our holistic, interconnected approach. From system design and product supply, right through to installation by our own in-house experts, we provide a complete, flawless solution you can trust. No compromises. Whether you're an architect creating a sustainable self-build, a homeowner planning a deep retrofit, or a facilities manager looking to optimize a portfolio of properties, we're not just your supplier, we're your partner. Here we'll explore the future of energy efficiency, we'll demystify heat pump technology, showcase the power of solar, and share expert insights that empower you to make informed decisions. Together, we can create spaces that are not only energy efficient, but that prioritize health, comfort, and are truly built for the future. Join us on the journey. Subscribe to 21 Degrees today.